Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Logitech HD Webcam C270 drivers on your Windows PC, then please watch this video. Now I know that it doesn't exist when you search for it on Google. So we have this answer here on the Microsoft Answers forum. Okay, you can download it directly from the Logitech support website. So we have a link here. I will share this link in the description section of the video. I mean, link to the original Microsoft Answers forum. And this is accurate because I checked that logi.com redirects to logitech.com. So I'll click on this and the drivers will be downloaded. Okay, and then all I need to do is click on the drivers, accept the terms and install them, and it will start installing the drivers on my computer. So this is how you can also download and install these drivers on your system even if they are not present on Google search. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.